Perched gracefully among the shifting clouds that frequently blanket Springbrook Mountain, Cloudview stands as a serene escape, its structure seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings. The cabin, designed by Paul Uhlmann Architects, extends into the treetops, offering a unique perspective of the lush rainforest below. The extensive use of glazing creates an uninterrupted connection to the outside world, inviting nature inside and allowing guests to feel as though they are floating above the canopy. The choice of materials and the precision in detailing bring an unexpected refinement to the otherwise wild landscape, establishing a delicate balance between modern design and untamed nature. Elevated high above the ground, Cloudview offers sweeping views in every direction. The surrounding greenery provides a stunning contrast to the darker, recessive form of the cabin, emphasizing the natural beauty of the site. Despite its remote location, the cabin is also conveniently positioned near the coast, allowing for a unique blend of mountain and beachside vernaculars. The main structure is contained to one level, with a lightweight substructure that enhances the sense of floating above the landscape. This simplicity of form and restraint in detailing reflect the architect's commitment to creating a building that is at once sophisticated and in harmony with its surroundings. The dark exterior of Cloudview is a deliberate choice, allowing the cabin to recede into the landscape and ensuring that the natural environment remains the primary focus. Inside, the use of darker materials and finishes continues, bringing warmth and depth to the interior spaces. The natural tan tones and deep ochre accents add a touch of earthiness, grounding the design and creating a cozy atmosphere. These elements also serve to define the places of gathering and connection within the cabin, highlighting the importance of communal spaces in a retreat setting. The U-shaped floor plan of Cloudview is another example of the thoughtful design approach taken by Paul Uhlmann Architects. By positioning the two en-suite bedrooms at opposite ends of the central open space, the architects have created a sense of separation and privacy, while still maintaining a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. The central deck, which serves as the heart of the cabin, is a place for gathering and enjoying the views, further enhancing the feeling of being immersed in nature. The inverted roof design not only adds to the aesthetic appeal of the cabin but also serves a practical purpose, simplifying the task of gutter cleaning and ensuring that the water collected is clean and safe for use. The two-bedroom cabin is more than just a place to stay. It is an invitation to disconnect from the fast pace of everyday life and reconnect with nature. The open design of the front facade takes full advantage of the expansive views, while the more enclosed spaces at the rear provide a sense of privacy and retreat. This careful balance between openness and enclosure is one of the defining features of Cloudview, creating a harmonious relationship between the built environment and the natural world. The design team's thoughtful approach ensures that the cabin feels both a part of the landscape and a haven from it. Every detail of Cloudview has been carefully considered to strengthen the bond between architecture and nature. The result is a sanctuary where calmness and a sense of timelessness are ever present. The use of natural materials, the emphasis on visual connections with the landscape, and the balance between openness and enclosure all contribute to the overall feeling of serenity that pervades the cabin. Cloudview is a place where one can truly slow down and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. The warmth of the interior spaces is enhanced by the careful selection of materials and finishes. The natural tan tones and deep ochre pieces, such as the main sofa, create a sense of comfort and invite guests to relax and unwind. These elements also serve to highlight the places of gathering and connection within the cabin, reinforcing the idea that Cloudview is not just a place to stay but a place to connect with others and with the natural world. The interior design is both simple and sophisticated, reflecting the overall design philosophy of the cabin. In every way, Cloudview is a celebration of the connection between architecture and the natural world. It is a place where the built environment does not dominate, but rather complements the landscape, allowing guests to fully experience the beauty of Springbrook Mountain. The cabin is a testament to the power of thoughtful design to create spaces that are both functional and inspiring, offering a sanctuary where one can escape the pressures of modern life and reconnect with the simplicity and serenity of nature.